Hello everybody, so I have a couple of backlogged tests that I need to get off the DVR that I'm just now getting around to recording. So, first off is Maryland's test from 2 weeks ago. No, it was last week. Yeah, it was last week. They used a different message this time. Everybody's saying this is going to be the new message. I'm just going to say this right now. It's a live voice. Don't get used to it. They'll either live voice from here on out, or whoever was on duty at MDEM will just send it with the old audio file. So, I wouldn't get too used to the new script, because it wouldn't shock me if the old audio file is heard again, and it definitely wouldn't shock me to hear some other live voices. Now, unfortunately, it does appear that WDVM sent the test with only a scroll, so let's find that out right now. Definitely appeared that it was scroll only because it said it had a message from iPod's cap. Yep, it's scroll only. That sucks. Well, it is what it is, but we'll let the cap text go through. You can see they did send with the new cap text to the Maryland Department of Emergency Management. Alright, so my other test is Virginia's test from Monday of this week as I'm recording this. And this was a little interesting because every station pulled a text-to-speech voice. However, going back to John's cap logs, it would appear that the Virginia Department of Emergency Management actually sent an audio file with the test. So why nobody sent that audio file is beyond me. John received it just fine with an audio file, so I have no idea, but it did lead to some interesting things. I know there's a couple of stations in the Hampton Roads that use a voice known as Kate, I believe it is. Now, as far as WPXW goes, they unfortunately use the dreaded cow voice, which I believe, in my opinion, is one of the worst text-to-speech voices to exist. It's also the first local I found to use the cow voice. Everybody else just doesn't even have text-to-speech enabled. It's probably for the better, too, on these DASDECs. Cow is just horrendous, and if you haven't heard it, well, let's take a listen to it.
Authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Virginia at 10:39 a.m. on May 2nd, 2022, effective until 12:39 p.m. This is a test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information.
That doesn't scream budget, I don't know what does. Anyways, thank you for watching.